So if you are looking for a way to stop your Windows 10 update, you are at right place. Windows updates sometimes becomes pain, especially when you are on a metered connection and you don't have that much of data bandwidth to update your system to the latest updates. So I looked for a way around, and there is a way around that you can envelop all those delivery optimization settings so that it is not going to trigger Windows update any soon. So we will see the following settings. We will turn off the Windows update services. We will deter the updates to a month or a day. You can actually discourage the updates to a later date, and we will envelop the delivery optimization so that it consumes the least data which is possible. So saying that, let's start. So what you have to do is that just go to your Windows and type there service. You will see in the left hand side of your screen that at top that there is an option known as services app, and below that it will be written app. Just click on that. That thing will get open. So just do one thing, your scroll bar, just scroll it to the last, and somewhere in the center, just below the center, you will see something known as Windows Update. Just select that Windows Update, right click on it, go to the properties, and where it is automatic, just select it as disabled, and if your service is running, just click on stop, and if it is not running, it's fine, and click on apply and click on OK. So what this will do is that this is the Windows service which I was talking about earlier, that you could have turned it off so to avoid Windows update. One more service is there which is known as delivery optimization. So what you have to do, in the same window, just click on D. You will get some options like data sharing or services. So at center, again at the center, at the top, from top I think fourth or fifth option will be there, which is known as delivery optimization. You can right click on it and you can go to the properties, and if your Windows system is not updated to the latest 1809 update, you can disable it from there, but for me it is not getting disabled. It is saying access denied, so I will leave it as it is and I will go back. Then I will go to Windows update thing. So again, go to the search bar and type Windows update setting. Again, if you will type Windows and space and U, it will come at the top, and if it is not coming, just type whole thing Windows update setting. Once it's there, click on the Windows update setting. You will go to Windows update. So in the left hand side there will be the options, and next to that there is Windows update written in big. From there you have to go to advanced option. It will be on the left hand side from the center. So in the center, a bit left, advanced option down, go to that. There you will see at last pause updates. You can go to there, you can go to that thing and just select a later date. What I will recommend is that if you are on a monthly data connection or data plan, so it happens that at last there is some of the data which is left. So what you can do, whensoever the day when your data gets renewed, just select a day or 2 days before that date. What I do is my data gets renewed 3rd of June. So what I do is I select 1st of June because it gets enough time, enough data to get this system updated, to get it updated. Again, that's done, and there you will see option delivery optimization. It is the same service which was there in the services thing. So just click on that, and again in that system, from center a bit left, lower left, there is an advanced option. Click on that, and there you will see there are things like limit how much bandwidth is used for downloading updates in background, limit how much bandwidth is used for downloading updates. So what you have to do, you have to check each and every box, and you have to set the limit to the least, which is 5% for everyone. So that's all for this. Once you have done this, you have just discouraged updates till a later date. You have turned off the Windows Update services. You have set the updates, if it is getting automatically triggered, to the least. So this was all the settings which I knew and which is going to help you to discourage this Windows updating, and it is again going to save your data. So this was all from this video, and if you do find this video helpful and interesting, just like and subscribe to our channel Technish.in, which we have a website. It is again in building phase, so the articles are not that updated, but if you want to see this particular article in a much more written and crisp format, you can go there, and there is a step-by-step things written. You can copy from there, you can keep it. We have to defeat this pandemic, the corona thing. During this corona pandemic, don't go out, keep yourself safe as much as possible, stay with your family, talk to your parents, keep caring your elderlies, and get some exercise, get some yoga,